Today we will learn about action verb with sentences. I am sleeping. I am sleeping. I am dancing. I am dancing. I am eating. I am eating. I am sweeping. I am sweeping. I am thinking. I am thinking. I am laughing. I am laughing. I am lying. I am lying. I am angry. I am angry. I am crying. I am crying. I am writing. I am writing. I am playing. I am playing. I am wearing. I am wearing. I am watering. I am watering. I am sick. I am sick. I am confused. I am confused. I am riding. I am riding. I am beautiful. I am beautiful. I am genius. I am genius. I am closing. I am closing. I am calling. I am calling. I am buying. I am buying. I am shouting. I am shouting. I am waving. I am waving. I am climbing. I am climbing. I am pushing. I am pushing. I am planning. I am planning. I am punching. I am punching. I am catching. I am catching. I am kicking. I am hitting. I am hitting. I am throwing. I am throwing. I am teaching. I am teaching. I am painting. I am painting. I am drawing. I am drawing. I am skipping. I am skipping. I am working. I am working. I am clapping. I am clapping. I am bathing. I am bathing. I am running. I am running. I am singing. I am singing. I am swimming. I am swimming. I am driving. I am driving. I am crawling. I am crawling. I am sliding. I am sliding. I am fishing. I am fishing. I am cooking. I am cooking. I am feeding. I am feeding. I am vacuuming. I am vacuuming. I am going to school. I am going to school.